Chinese hat plant or mandarin hat or parasol flower. Very popular garden ornamental shrub. Popularly it is known as kapani in Dogri language, and it is found in wild in Kalakot, Rajouri forests, Himachal Pradesh, sub-Himalayan tracts, shivaliks, and is a popular garden hedge plant. It is known as Chinese hat plant because of the cap-like, hat-like calyx cup, and from the middle of the calyx cup arises the trumpet-shaped tubular flower. So it is also known as cup and saucer plant. And Dogri name kapani means the plant flower which has cup-like calyx. Botanically, plant is named in the honor of well-known mycologist Johann Theodor Holmesquilde. He was a Danish botanist who produced work of great scientific significance, 2 volumes on fungi published in 1790-1799, and to commemorate his contributions, the genus name Holmesquildea was erected by another well-known chemist, botanist and entomologist of repute. He was Johann Retzius. He was a Swedish entomologist who commemorated the contribution of Holmesquilde, and the genus was established as Holmesquildea. Earlier it has the 3 species till 18th century. Holmesquildea sanguinea, which is found in India, Bhutan, Nepal, even in Pakistan. Another was Holmesquildea gigas, with large trees-like forms which we usually see in Kenya and Tanzania. They grow as trees. It is a critically endangered species. And another is Holmesquildea speciosa, again found in Mozambique, Madagascar. But it was the year 1932 when Paul Louis established another genus, Caromia, and he segregated these plants from the genus Holmesquildea under Caromia as Caromia gigas, critically endangered African tree, and Caromia speciosa with beautiful purple flowers, grown as ornamental plant in the gardens. The distinction between the genus Holmesquildea and newly erected genus Caromia is the structure of the corolla. Corolla posterior petal is deeply cleft in case of Caromia, but it is not cleft, it is not lobed in case of Holmesquildea. Another is fruit structure. In case of Holmesquildea, fruit is subfleshy, subsucculent, whereas in case of Caeromia, the fruits are dry. Kapni or Chinese hat plant, also known as Kulli's cap plant or cup and saucer plant or mandarin's hat, or parasol flower. Parasol flower again because the calyx is brightly colored. It is red, pink or sometimes yellow, and it looks like a small parasol umbrella shaped calyx. So popularly also known as parasol flower. Of great horticultural significance, it is used as a hedge plant. We can see its hedge even in University of Jammu floriculture gardens, and it grows wilderness in the Shivaliks. Leaves are opposite, simple, and fast growing shrub. Earlier it was placed in the teak family, Bourbinaceae, but in the year 2016, according to Angiosperm phylogeny group classification, this stands now clubbed under the expanded family Lamiaceae, the mint family. Stems are squarish, quadrangular. Corolla is gamopetalous. 5 lobes of the corolla tube, they are almost equal, but calyx is broadly expanded and it is hat-like or cap-like or parasol-like. Holmeschoeldea sanguinea, the only species presently treated under the genus Holmeschoeldea, is unique in having the presence of a kind of flavone, orozanidin. This polyphenolic compound, orozanidin, is reported from the dashmul tree, Shionaca oroxylum indicum, also in the plant Neer Brahmi, Bacopa monnieri, and this plant Holmeschoeldea sanguinea. The flowers are visited by the insects, butterflies, honeybees, and the pollination is of entomophilous type. Holmeschoeldea sanguinea can be propagated vegetatively through vegetative cuttings or through seeds, but most popular propagation technique is vegetative cutting. It responds very well to pruning. So this is usually grown as garden hedge plant and heavily pruned to keep its shape intact and compact. Otherwise, this also grows in the scandent habit. Earlier, this was also known as Holmeschoeldea scandens because of this scandent type of habit. Plant was also known as Hustingia sanguinea or Hustingia coccinea, but now they are treated as synonyms, and the accepted binomial name is Holmeschoeldea sanguinea, having variety lutea also, which has the yellow flowers. Calyx and corolla is of yellow color, and red variety rubra, which has the scarlet red flowers. So this was also named as Holmesquildia rubra or Holmesquildia coccinea in earlier days. So three species, Holmesquildia sanguinea, Holmesquildia gigas, Holmesquildia speciosa, were treated under the genus Holmesquildia till 1932, when the genus was split into Holmesquildia having single species Holmesquildia sanguinea and genus Caromia having 9 species and 2 species gigas and speciosa. Under the Caromia gigas, trees are critically endangered. In the year 2016, 6 trees were discovered in Tanzania, and widespread efforts were made to collect its seed and grow in the botanical garden. The tree-like growth is seen in case of Caromia gigas, but our plant, Holmesquildia sanguinea, grows as a lower shrub, and as it has invasive nature, it stands naturalized in wilderness also, but otherwise also it is native to India, and the plant having the attractive red flowers and evergreen nature of the shrub. This is one of the most popular garden ornamental plant, and this need to be introduced in school spaces, colleges, campuses, botanical gardens, floriculture parks, green belts, and even along the roadsides, national highway median can be used, because this plant does not grow to a tree size. This is a small shrubby plant with evergreen foliage and scarlet red flowers, which add beauty to the surroundings.